What a nightmare.
Good God, things have kicked off a lot sooner than I expected. Just driving through Christchurch City at sea level, and there is full-on sleet on the windscreen, or there was in the last shower. Gonna head up the Port Hills and see what's going on up there, but this is definitely the coldest air we have had so far this year, and it is only going to get colder from here on in. We're at about 300 metres here, team. You can see Christchurch City looking down towards the estuary over there. Oh, mother of Christ. Look at that. That's... Oh. Snow is falling rather low on the Port Hills currently. I've come down into Christchurch where it's been consistently sleeting in these showers all night. Not out of the question, certainly not out of the question, for some sea level snow showers tonight. Currently heading down Colombo Street towards Dyers Pass Road. Heavy sleet is falling. There are big flakes landing on my windscreen, and reports of torrential snow at Sign of the Kiwi. So, I'm on my way up. I'm trying to think of a new fruit or vegetable to describe this as. Shall we say it's like pineapples falling from the sky? Oh my goodness! Look at it go! Woo! Good God. As you can see, settling hard on the road, blizzard conditions. It's all, the visibility is next to nothing. We're at approximately, we're under 400 meters. I'd guess approximately 380. Oh, look at it go. Oh! Torrential snow this is. Absolutely cannot see a thing. It's actually dangerous to have this light on. Holy mackerel. Oh Jesus Christ on a cracker. This is insane snow. I think this is the heaviest snow I've seen off the Southern Alps. It is definitely the quickest settling snow I've seen off the Southern Alps. Now this really is dinner plates falling from the sky. Actually no, this is platters falling from the sky. This is what? Oh my. Look how quickly it's settling up here. We've got a couple of centimetres already. See that down there? Decent couple of centimetres. Snow's coming in pretty good. Epic. Right. Let's try turn this thing around, eh? Because I'm not keen on going down that hill right now. Have a look at this. We are within, I would say, 50 metres of the same level as Sign of the Kiwi. Complete whiteout, probably 5 centimetres give or take. We're up here at Sign of the Kiwi, approximately 300, maybe just over, and it is puking down with snow. Getting heavier, getting drier. Look at it go. Just round under Sugarloaf here. settling thick and fast, snowing heavy, as you can see. Oh, there's a lot on the road here actually, good lord. Look at it coming down, look at that. Right, we are at 200 meters here. As you can see, there's ice on the road. I mean, snow on the road. Currently snowing quite heavily, wet snow, but snowing heavily, and there was just a massive flash of lightning right above me. I do not want to spend too much more time on this hill. Look at this coming down. We're at like 180 meters. This is about 120 meters. Huge bits of ice hitting the windscreen. Well, busy night last night, late night last night. It's rained in or sleeted in Christchurch just about all night. I think we've had about 15 millimeters overnight, so looks like the chain shower event fed in over Christchurch quite significantly. Snow fell last night to about 150 meters, settled to about 250. And yeah, as I say, sleeted down to sea level almost. Sleety rain is still falling in Christchurch, so thinking I'll head out to Birdlings Flat via the Summit Road and Gebbies Pass, see what's going on up there, because temperatures have warmed slightly this morning, and then I think we'll call it a day for this chase. Well, Christchurch definitely got a bit of rain last night. He's got a good job. Comfortably below 300 meters here, and snow is lying on the ground, as you can see. Laying all the way down to about probably 240 meters. So it's a pretty safe bet to say it was snowing to about 150, 200 last night, settling to 250, and significant above probably 400. Heavy sleet coming in again. Plenty of grit on the roads, as you can hear. I'd say in wind drifts up here, so exposed to the southwest, you're probably looking at 10 to 12 centimeters in drifts, and probably a solid 5 on the flat, I would say. Oh, mate. Oh, look at that. Heavy hail and sleet shower right down at sea level now, guys, just on the way to Birdlings Flat. Might even be below sea level here. Just got here at Birdlings Flat, team. As you can see, it's rough to say the least. We'll go out for a closer look, eh? Lovely conditions. Look at that. Getting ready to run. Woo! Oh, Christ almighty, it's cold, and I'm drenched. This is pleasant. Oh. Woo! Right, I think we'll call it a day, eh? Eventful 24 hours, low snow, sleet in the city, and now just horrendous conditions down at Birdlings Flat. So plenty more content to come this winter. We're barely even halfway through, so don't forget to like and subscribe, chuck a comment down below, let us know what you think, and we'll be back very, very soon.
Yeah! Oh! What a nightmare.